All right, ladies and gentlemen, I apologize. I just recorded an entire 19-minute video explaining my trades this morning, and somehow the codecs corrupted or whatever, and I could not upload it. So I just want to do a video kind of giving you a recap on what we did. If you go look at my emergency update yesterday, where I had to fix a couple of trades, that was around here, I believe. If you go look at that video, then in that video I told you there was one position that might be in trouble. I was going to keep an eye on it overnight or whatever, and as you can see, that position got into trouble. That's what this chart basically means. And it was a 30 delta this morning. So I think it was about $375 when I closed out that position that I had to get back. So I used up some of my buying power. I rolled options out further. I sold some puts. I sold some calls. And as you can see, I got a fair amount of that, a little over $400 and some change, $42 at the time. That's what I ended up getting, and that's these positions right here. So I'm good. I had to roll farther out to July 26th, and my portfolio looks good. I'll show you these to the 26 and the 38 on July 26th. Options, puts, July 26th, the 26 right here, 10 delta, we're good. And then the 38, 13 delta, we're good there. So it looks much, much better right there. And then what we ended up doing is the Ethereum 2000 put here. I'm watching this one. The Ethereum 2800 put, sorry, I had an interruption. The Ethereum 2800 put on the 19th. So let's come here. We'll go to the 19th. Look at that put, 2817. So I'm going to watch this one. Make sure we don't go to 30. If I do, then I may have to do an emergency update on that one as well, and I will roll that one out to a later date and be able to get that capital back. Just to show you what I would do there, right here on that. So let's just say I end up, by the time this gets to 30 delta, I'm negative, say $450. I would close out this position. I would get $4,000 from here. I still have $2,000 in buying power, and I would need to earn back that $450 that I lost. So what I would do is I'd roll out further. So I'd come here and maybe go to 26. I need to get $450 back, and I could probably sell. That wouldn't work. I'd probably go to 30th, and I could sell right here if I wanted to. I mean, if I sold 10 of those, I would make it back with some profit, or even 10 of these right here. That's even a better one. And what are the odds that the market goes all the way to 2,800? Pretty slim. Pretty slim. And so, and I would have 11 delta. Now, the unfortunate part is I would be tying up roughly $4,000 till March 30th, August 30th. That would hurt my overall profitability with the strategy. Keep in mind, I'm trying to get at least $1,000 a month, but that would hurt my overall profitability because those funds are tied up. But it also prevents me from losing money. At the end of the day, it's about not losing money. So it puts me in a better position, so I'm less likely to lose money. That's what it's about at the end of the day. So I'll continue to watch this position. Sorry, my other video corrupted. I'm trying to be upfront. I want to carry this. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible. I want you to sort of see what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Now, there is a positive. When I'm making a lot of trades, of course, what ends up happening is I'm gaining points for an LDX airdrop. They have an airdrop coming. I'll put a link in the description if you want to use Lyra. This is not sponsored content. I don't necessarily recommend that you trade options unless you're very confident. If you've never done it before, start with a small account, $5,000 or $10,000, and just place one or two, sell one or two options, and just sell them a month out if you want, and just kind of watch them work so you can build confidence. But every time that I'm making trades, I'm essentially earning points for the airdrop. And so I paid $75 in fees since the start of this round, whatever that was, a few days ago. But I think it's every 30 days. Okay. So I've got $75 in fees, 751,000 points, and they're going to do an airdrop based on your point value at the end of the year. I'm sorry, the end of the quarter. In the third quarter. Sorry, I said that wrong. In the third quarter, they're going to do it, an airdrop at some point. So I'm earning points towards the airdrop. That's not a bad thing at all. Plus, you make points for your overall deposit as well. All right. Plus, if there's a referral, you make like 10 or 20% of the points that they get also. It's just full transparency because I want to be transparent. So this is where we're at, by the way. On the end screen, if you want to get caught up, I'll put my full playlist. This is day 4 of live trading. So I'll put my playlist on the end screen. Also, I will put a playlist showing you how you can use Lyra to earn up to 50% APR on your ETH. Earn ETH on top of ETH. And at the same time, be able to get yourself set up for possibly 3 total airdrops. Up to 50% APR and up to 3 free airdrops included in the strategy right here on Lyra. I'll put that link on the end screen as well. Thank you so much for watching. This is Crypto Wealth. I'm out.